Hi, I extending my roof rafters and I use 2.5-inch bolts and 10 special rafter screws, and I would like to see if someone can tell me if they are safe because I need to remove the main wall underneath the old rafters. I have pics that I would like someone to review. The rafters were 4 feet and no, I extended them another 7 feet, thanks.
I can help. Let me read your question a bit closer. Are you there?
Hi Walker, is this thing working? Yes, in here.
You can attach pictures to the chat window with the paperclip in the toolbar.
Okay, 1 second.
Great.
Full-size image. I had an atrium set up and I wanted to extend the rafters so I can have a bigger room, but am worried about these rafters holding the ceiling up after I pull the main support from under them. Do you have an email so I can send you these pics? This thing isn't working right. Full-size image.
I received the first picture. Do you have more?
Full-size image. Full-size image. Full-size image. Full-size image. Full-size image.
Give me a minute to look at all of the pictures.
Thanks.
So you want to remove the bearing wall with the sliding glass door in it and have the extended rafters rest on the new framed-in wall?
Yes.
What is the size of the rafters?
They are 2 by 10 by 12. They overlap the old rafters about 2 feet. I'm all set to remove the bearing wall, but I'm scared to.
So is the existing span of your rafters 12?
No, the rafters I'm expanding from are 3 feet.
No, the rafter tails are 3 long. How far do they span from the existing wall in the other direction?
Connected from the house. They go about 4 feet from the house to where I made my connection. They hold up the hallway roof. Full-size image.
The existing rafters are most likely supported on an interior wall inside your house. They will span from that interior wall to the exterior wall you want to remove, and then they extend outside past the exterior wall you're 3 to 4. I need to know the distance from the interior wall the rafters rest on and the existing exterior wall they rest on.
Oh, it's 4 feet. It goes straight into the main beam above the hallway /. Should I take a pic?
Yes, please.
Full-size image. Full-size image. Full-size image. Full-size image. That's it.
Give me a minute to look at the pictures. I think I get it.
Great.
I would not recommend doing the splice you have done. This splice is approximately as at the mid-span of the rafters, the area with the highest bending moment. What is the span of the rafters in the room you are trying to match?
12.
Typo, new, not nay. Are they spaced at 16 inches OC?
Yes.
What city and state do you live in so I can look at possible snow loading?
California. I have no snow or rain, it's just carrying shingles. Would it help if I put wood supports between the rafters so they can support each other?
Where in California? I grew up and worked in Southern California.
Mission Viejo, Orange County.
I grew up in Tustin, small world, and went to Cal State Fullerton. Now I am in Ohio.
Why would it change?
Adding blocking will not help.
So should I just rip them out and replace the whole beam?
I know you probably do not want to hear this. You need to remove the drywall on the ceiling inside and sister new full-length rafters in.
Wow, the whole length of the rafter.
The rafter you spliced to will most likely extend up past the existing exterior wall you want to remove and then rest on or connect to that beam you can see on your ceiling at the inside of your hallway. So you need to provide the same size rafters that span the 12 in the room next to this.
Wow, so redo it all.
The new rafters will span from the ceiling beam in your hallway out to the new wall you framed in. Do not remove the existing bearing wall with this framing configuration.
Do you think if I try to take the wall down with the way it is, it will fall down?
It will either sag a great deal or collapse. Splicing is never a good option.
Yeah, I think this is out of my league then.
Another issue is that when you extend these rafters, you will also be adding more load to the existing ceiling beam. I am not sure it can take it.
What about taking the roof off the top and storing it about 4 feet on each side?
You really need to have a local engineer come out to do an assessment and do some calculation and give you recommendations.
Yeah, this is a big project. Thanks for your help. I appreciate all your advice.
It is easier to remove drywall than to remove roof and then have possible leaks.
Thanks, Walker.
Sorry for the bad news, but I don't want you to have a catastrophe.
No, I appreciate it. I gotta do it right and safe. Take care.
Safety is the top priority.
True.
You too. Experts are credited for each adequately rated answer they provide. If you have additional questions, please let me know. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.